Let's talk about conditional operators in Python. If we wanted to ask whether two objects represent the same thing in Python, we can use the equals equals operator. We'll get back either true or false. True and false are both of the type bool, which stands for Boolean. Booleans are how we represent yes and no, or affirmative and negative. Booleans are often returned when using comparison operations like equals equals. These expressions that return either true or false, like A equals equals B, are sometimes called Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions are often used in if statements to control whether a block of code should be run. But they can also be used in other contexts, such as while loops. Here we're looping as long as the user hasn't entered a name. Once they enter a name, we break out of our loop, and then we print out their name. Boolean expressions can also be stored in a variable. So here we're asking whether the length of colors is not equal to the length of the set of colors, and it turns out that's true. Booleans usually appear as the result of a comparison operation. So the equals equals operator is our equality operation in Python. There's also exclamation mark equals for not equals. There's less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. We also have the in operator for checking whether something is contained within a collection, like a list, for example. And there's the not in operator for doing the opposite. There's also the is operator and the is not operator for checking identity. Now, you usually don't want to check for identity. Typically, you want to check for equality, but this is available in Python for those rare cases where you need it. Python's conditional operators return Booleans, that is, true and false values, which can be used to control the flow of your code with if statements and while loops.